Some workspaces look organized, others are organized. The Altai wireless charging desk mat falls firmly into the second category, an intentional blend of refined aesthetics and everyday function that clears clutter and powers your essentials. Designed with versatility in mind, this dual-sided desk mat features premium vegan leather on one side for a modern wipe-clean surface and soft felt on the other for a warmer, tactile experience. Its standout feature is a detachable wireless charging panel that magnetically snaps to either side, left or right, charging both your smartphone at up to 15 watts and earbuds at 5 watts simultaneously. Compatible with MagSafe devices, the charger integrates seamlessly into your workflow. Efficiency doesn't need to be complicated. TimeFlip 2 redefines time management with a physical, intuitive approach that blends tactile simplicity and smart digital features. This polygonal time tracker is more than a gadget. It's a focus-enhancing tool designed to curb distractions and bring clarity to your day. With each flip, you engage in purposeful work, making every minute intentional. Pair TimeFlip 2 with its mobile or web app to log billable and non-billable hours automatically. If you need analytics, the free app provides real-time data, breaking down how your hours are spent so you can adjust your routines accordingly. Easily export your tracked sessions to .xls or .csv files, making invoicing and reporting seamless. Effortlessly redefining what compact aerial photography can achieve, the DJI Flip drone delivers performance and precision in a featherweight body. Weighing in at under 249 grams, it skips FAA registration while packing serious hardware. A built-in 3-axis gimbal ensures your 4K UHD footage stays rock steady, even in breezy conditions or sharp maneuvers. Takeoff is as simple as a wave of your hand thanks to intuitive palm control, while intelligent flight functions like auto-return provide security when battery levels dip or signal is lost. Enjoy up to 31 minutes of uninterrupted flight, covering wide landscapes or vertical cityscapes with ease. With a maximum video transmission range of 44,000 feet, the Flip maintains strong signal fidelity for smooth, real-time visuals far beyond the competition. A performance laptop that doesn't lock you into one future. This is the philosophy behind the Framework Laptop 16. Designed with a 16-inch high-resolution display and engineered for creators, gamers, and developers alike, this machine breaks the mold by giving users total control over its evolution. Built around a unique modular concept, every key component can be swapped, upgraded, or repaired using simple magnetic connections and standardized interfaces. The Framework Laptop 16's hot swappable input modules make it easy to switch keyboard layouts or add macro pads, while the expansion bay accommodates everything from additional storage to a discrete GPU. Face AI is a breakthrough in AI-driven communication, designed to transform the way you interact with technology. This sophisticated holographic assistant goes beyond simple virtual assistants, offering a seamless, multidimensional interface that combines advanced AI with lifelike projection technology. With FaceAL, productivity skyrockets as it integrates smoothly into everyday tasks, whether you're working, studying, or managing personal projects. The holographic display provides an immersive experience where you can interact with your AI assistant in 3D space. It supports multiple languages, ensuring clear and effective communication no matter where you are. Drift into undisturbed sleep with a device engineered not just for comfort, but for intelligent support. This sleep innovation integrates real-time snore-stopping technology, gently responding to disturbances before they escalate, promoting smoother breathing patterns throughout the night. It doesn't just react, it listens, adapts, and adjusts. The adjustable height system allows fine-tuned customization for spinal alignment, supporting your neck whether you sleep on your back or side. Built-in neck heating provides a warm, therapeutic sensation, easing muscle stiffness while you rest. Subtle massage functions activate with precision, encouraging circulation and deep muscle relaxation without interrupting sleep cycles. When reliable internet is non-negotiable, the Netgear Nighthawk M6 Pro rises to the occasion. Built for those who demand high-speed connectivity at home, in the office, or on the move, this mobile hotspot delivers next-gen performance powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon X60 5G modem RF system. With blazing 5G millimeter wave speeds reaching up to 8 gigabits per second and Wi-Fi 6E technology, it ensures seamless, low-latency connections for up to 32 devices at once. Ideal for streaming, gaming, remote work, and mission-critical applications. Certified for AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon and operational in over 125 countries, the M6 Pro offers true global coverage. Built for rugged terrain and refined taste, the Z-Lounger Ultra Tough Air Seat raises the standard for portable seating. Whether you're posted up riverside, lounging at camp, or tailgating in the lot, this seat fuses field-ready toughness with an ergonomic profile that mirrors high-end indoor furniture. The advanced drop-stitched construction provides rigid support while maintaining an inflatable design, delivering 17 inches of elevated seating that doesn't sag, bend, or buckle. At just 7.5 pounds, the Z-Lounger is light enough to carry in a pack, yet sturdy enough to handle up to 400 pounds of weight. Unseen precision is now in your hands. Crafted into a pen-sized powerhouse engineered for professionals who demand control, clarity, and versatility. This isn't just a tool, it's an evolution in rotary technology. With built-in Wi-Fi connectivity and a camera that streams real-time visuals to your mobile device, you get eyes exactly where you need them, even in the tightest spaces. Whether you're working on fine engraving, micro repairs, or jewelry detailing, every motion is guided with unmatched precision. The 3-speed digital control system gives you tailored performance at your fingertips, allowing smooth transitions between tasks. Built to meet the highest standards of everyday durability, this bottle isn't just a container. It's an engineered shield for your drinks. Crafted from 316 stainless steel, the S+ Pure Thermos keeps content secure, fresh, and at the ideal temperature for hours. Whether you're navigating daily commutes or tackling rugged trails, its rugged, corrosion-resistant body stands up to constant use in harsh conditions without leaching any flavor or harmful residue. With 12-hour insulation for both hot and cold beverages, your drink stays just the way you like it, steaming or chilled throughout the day. Shut out the noise and focus on what matters most: your voice. The BeFree 2.0 sound. Isolation Booth creates a powerful acoustic shield wherever you set it up. With 26 decibels of noise reduction and 89% sound absorption, this booth ensures clarity in every note, word, or recording. Whether you're tracking vocals, laying down a podcast, or joining high-stakes video calls, this booth holds back distractions so you can dial in pure, uninterrupted sound. The BeFree 2.0 comes in 3 smart sizes to fit bedrooms, studios, or shared office spaces. Built-in ventilation keeps the airflow steady and silent, so you're comfortable even during extended sessions. Clean beyond the surface with cutting-edge ultrasonic power. This portable, multifunctional ultrasonic dishwasher is engineered for modern living, compact yet powerful and ready to elevate your kitchen or camping setup. Operating at a frequency of 45 kilohertz, it creates millions of microscopic cavitation bubbles that scrub away food residue, grease, and bacteria from dishes, baby bottles, fruits, and even delicate items like jewelry and glasses. Measuring just 4.5 inches tall and weighing only 1.2 pounds, this compact device fits effortlessly into any standard sink or wash basin. It's USB rechargeable with a long-lasting lithium battery, giving you up to 30 minutes of wireless cleaning per charge. Tucked into the corner of your pack or clipped to a belt, this tool doesn't ask for attention. It earns it. Crafted in either grade 5 titanium or lightweight aluminum, it embodies precision and endurance without compromise. Every detail is deliberate. The loop folds and rotates with a smooth, silent hinge, giving you magnification exactly when needed. The 3-in-1 cap system integrates seamlessly, housing a replaceable compass core, a protective cap for the loop, and a mirror that doubles as a discreet signal or grooming tool. Built for the extremes, this compact unit boasts IPX8 waterproofing, ensuring peak performance even in torrential downpours or submerged environments. The Reluma footrest is designed to provide a refreshing and supportive experience for your legs, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. With its lightweight, compact build, it is perfect for anyone who spends long hours sitting and needs an easy way to alleviate pressure on their legs and feet. The footrest features a durable, ergonomic design that ensures comfort and relaxation with just the right amount of support. Its portability makes it ideal for travelers, while the soft yet firm cushioning helps to improve circulation and reduce fatigue, providing instant relief. Underneath the daily grind of office work or long commutes lies a silent culprit: poor posture. That's where this intelligently engineered back cushion steps in, offering tailored support without compromise. Crafted from premium memory foam, this lumbar support pillow molds to the natural curve of your spine, helping alleviate lower back strain and enhance posture whether you're on the road or working from a desk. Measuring roughly 13 inches wide by 13 inches tall and 4 inches thick, it fits snugly into most office chairs, gaming seats, car backrests, and even living room couches. Its breathable mesh cover keeps airflow consistent, making it suitable for extended use. The AeroSpring Pinch is an innovative and versatile system designed to elevate both outdoor and indoor gardening. This high-yield solution offers an efficient growing experience with minimal effort. Engineered for modularity, it allows users to customize the setup according to their space and needs, offering 4 distinct configurations to choose from. Whether you're looking to optimize a small urban space or expand into a larger area, the flexibility of the AeroSpring Pinch ensures that your garden thrives. Constructed for ease of use, this system integrates seamlessly into a variety of environments. iLick is a dynamic and interactive robot that brings fun and companionship to anyone seeking an engaging experience. Designed with an emotional touch, iLick reacts to various interactions by expressing a wide range of emotions. Tap its head, belly, or back and watch it change moods, from gentle to playful, or even temperamental. Its reactions are designed to match your touch, making each moment a unique experience. Ideal for both children and adults, iLick offers an array of mini-games to enjoy. Whether playing the left or right game, shooting monsters, or fishing, the robot's intuitive controls make it simple to play. You can also interact with other iLick robots, allowing them to connect, chat, or even engage in friendly battles and quarrels. With a group, they can even throw a party. The Eve Paint Cam security system offers a cutting-edge approach to enhancing both safety and security. Featuring real-time face recognition, it ensures immediate identification of individuals, whether you're monitoring your home, business, or any sensitive area. The system's sophisticated algorithms provide quick, accurate assessments, ensuring that only authorized personnel are allowed access. In addition to the face recognition, the system includes a unique paintball marking feature, which serves as a preventive and reactive safety measure. When a security breach is detected, the system activates, marking intruders with non-toxic paintballs, making them easily identifiable for authorities. The Birdster 2.5K HD Smart Bird Feeder with camera offers a revolutionary approach to birdwatching. Combining technology and nature, this solar-powered feeder boasts advanced AI capabilities, identifying over 12,000 bird species with exceptional accuracy. The camera, with 2.5K HD resolution, captures stunning footage of your feathered visitors, providing a clear and vibrant view of every detail. Equipped with auto motion detection, it ensures you never miss a moment, automatically recording when birds approach. Crafted from waterproof wood, the Birdster feeder is built to endure the elements, making it ideal for year-round use in various weather conditions. Wherever you set up camp or tailgate, reliable support and smart organization make the difference. Kangaroo Porter delivers exactly that, combining mobility, storage, and a stable table surface into one efficient solution. Built to withstand the elements, it features a weather-resistant hard top that supports up to 75 pounds. The aluminum frame is strong yet lightweight, weighing just 18 pounds for easy transport. Its dual 9.5-gallon storage bins provide ample space to keep food, tools, or supplies protected and organized. With a built-in handle and all-terrain wheels, navigating gravel, grass, or sand is effortless. Once you're set up, lock the wheels in place and enjoy a 30-inch by 24-inch flat surface, ideal for prepping meals or setting drinks.